I look after the vertical, which is goes by the brand name of Arctic. And we are mainly into air cooling solutions. Air cooling solutions for anybody and everybody. This is a vertical which is mainly into consumer product. Till now, you must have heard of all the group companies which are more of technical products. But this is a consumer product. Like it's air cooling solution for everybody, for humans, for animals, for birds, for trees. So it's a very vast segment. And mainly we deal with comfort cooling for large areas, which means factories and all. So comfort cooling would mean temperatures of around 27, 28, 30 degree maximum for the laborers, for the workforce, and in large areas, in factories, in commercial areas. So that is how we operate. Market is very big. It is bigger than air conditioners because of the other segments that we cater to. We have done all horticulture and plants. We do cooling for animals. We have done elephant cooling. We are doing a zoo in Jamnagar. So animals are also a segment for us, a market for us. So it's that big a segment. Humans are there. We have again for processes, for textiles, cotton and rayon textile, they need more moisture in their facilities. So we add moisture. So in paper industry, they have corrugated sheet manufacturing. They need more moisture. For fermentation of tea, they need more moisture. So then we cater to these industries also. So it's a huge segment, a growing segment. We ourselves find out new applications every time. So that's how we operate. Mainly now people looking at efficiency. Whatever products they have, they need more efficiency. Lower power cost, lower running cost, lower capital expenses. So that's where we are working. All these companies are working towards more efficiency. So how we can increase efficiency? Then it is the core, which is the pads, cellulose paper pads. How we can make them more efficient? How can the power expenses go down? Like in our coolers, we have a unique 3-side pad design. So pads are on all 3 sides as compared to the earlier air washers. So then you need a lower motor, a smaller blower. Footprint of the cooler comes down. So we are looking at innovations towards that, towards power saving, towards higher efficiency. That's how we are going now. All segments. The industrial segment is very high. Commercial segment also is growing. We are doing in smaller cities. We are doing malls, common areas of malls. We are doing multiplexes, 3-screen, 4-screen, air-cooled multiplexes. Then shops, many shops like your ready-made garment shops, maybe 3-4 storied buildings that we are doing. We are doing tile showrooms, stone showrooms, marble stone showrooms. So it's huge. Market is huge, commercial as well as industry. Industry, what happens is they don't have any other solution. It's only air cooling because they cannot air condition large areas. So it will mainly be air cooling. So that's again a huge segment for us. See, air cooling is green technology. We don't use any exterior features. It's basically air and water. So power consumption is less because there is only one motor, one blower. And again, it's green, including we use water. So basically no CFC, no harmful chemicals used. It's green cooling. So it's a preferred way of cooling now. The same technology was used ages ago, even before electricity or fan came in. Same technology was used and it is still used. So we are going back towards earlier days. In earlier days, we used to hang cloth, wet the cloth, and natural air from the wind direction would flow in the whole of the building. The same technology, we are using electricity now. Basically, we cool by water, so there would be some addition of moisture. But what happens in India, it's a dry and hot climate condition, especially most of inner India, except the coastal area. So we have a full market all over. Now what happens in dry season, summers, it is 8 months of summer in India maybe. So in 8 months, when the temperature is high and RH is less in the ambient, what happens is our skin dries up. The air that we breathe in is very hot and dry. So our respiratory tract becomes drier. So we need some moisture. So air cooling is better in that form also. We will add moisture and we will breathe in moist air, which is very much needed for us. In air cooling air, asthma gets not cured, but they don't have problems in breathing this air. If the air is more dry, then you'll either you have a feeling of what they call in Bihar, UP, a loo. So it's very dry air, your body dries up. So you need some moisture in these type of climate. So air cooling is much more suitable for that. People are coming towards air cooling, especially after the pandemic. People are thinking of ventilation, they are thinking of fresh air, and they are thinking of cooling by other means. Because what happens in air conditioner, the same air is rotated, so it becomes stale, and whatever contaminants are there, they keep on repeating themselves. But here it is 100% fresh air, so this is more acceptable. So naturally, people are accepting this. Even in hospitals, we have done general wards, we have done reception areas. So all that is being done by this. So acceptance is more now. In pockets and all, we keep on saying, not very focused, but then yeah, it is increasing. Segments are increasing. There is no data as such because organized sector is very less still. It is mainly 60% would be unorganized. So we really don't know how much business they do. But every sector is growing, so this is also growing. This is very important. For most of the cases, ROI would be around 3 months only. 3 months, 4 months, that's all. Because here there are three main expenses. One is your initial cost as compared to maybe air conditioner. Initial cost, second would be running cost, third would be maintenance. All three are very less in this. Running cost would be 10 to 15% only, which is the main benefit for installing cooling. Initial cost would be 60-70%, running cost would be 10% only, and maintenance is very less. So ROI is very fast. Yeah, naturally, it's an everyday process. Innovations are coming in, we can expect faster. The advantage with us is that we are manufacturers of cellulose paper pads also. So then the R&D is starting from that point. So pads, then design of the coolers. We have a design team, engineering team. And then the last point is we design for the customers also. That is the duct designing, all that we do. We have a whole design team in our head office. Our dealers are also equipped everywhere. They are more or less air conditioning dealers. So they also know designing of ducts and grills and all that. We help them in that. So right up to the customer, we ensure that everything is good and efficient. I can show you machines which are there since 10 years, 15 years, 25 years, and they are running. Customers are satisfied in all the climatic segments of India.